good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How you been?
I've been good.
Good.
2 weeks ago, I was at Kim's house cooking with her. Yeah, we're neighbors actually, so it's really fun.
I'm curious to know, how would you answer the question, I love my cohort because?
I absolutely adore my cohort, yeah. I think we're a bunch of young people trying to figure ourselves out in the world, but all super curious, hungry to learn, super adventurous, entrepreneurial, and experimental, and very tight and close. Why do you think the bonds that we make at Schwarzman Scholars is so everlasting?
Yeah, I think the bonds last because it's such a ridiculous experience, and that I don't think that people that didn't do it I don't think they understand necessarily how strange it is. When I was at Schwarzman, my goal was to see parts of China I would never get to see otherwise. So I went to like Inner Mongolia, visited small third-tier cities, which were bigger than San Francisco. The backgrounds and life experiences people had were so different from my own and from whom I would have met. It's rare to deviate so much that you meet someone who just has a completely different life story to yours.
For sure, yeah. I think you said it very well, which is that it's people convening in China, many of whom have never been there before, many of whom don't speak a word of Chinese.
From a huge number of countries.
Yeah, from a huge number of countries. I don't know how many countries in your cohort, but
like 30 something.
Yeah, I think you had even more than me. And there are very few experiences in life that you can sign up for that are just so unique.
Yeah.
Almost to a surreal level, where you're just like, how did I end up here experiencing this with these people?
Yeah.
Like, what a special moment in my life.